Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Julie with Bookshelf by Julie. Today it's Friday Freebie 71. Quick and easy today, super easy. Let me show you the freebie first. Okay, so we've got a little sort of flip book is what I call it. It's got a flip, so already attached. Then we've got some embellishments over here. Okay, and we've got a really pretty tag and pretty pocket and super pretty little paper doll that I make into paper clips, right? So I hope you guys are doing that too. 2-page freebie set. This is what I made with it. Now you can do all kinds of things with this. You don't have to do it exactly the way I did it, but you can if you want to. So this was my front, and I open it up, and then this flip is there. Yep. And then this one, you know, is there. So I have my paper clip here, my tag here. I put my bunny on my tag, and then I just double-side printed so I'd have something in there, you know. So yeah, there's that. And this one, I made this into a tuck spot. So if you had a picture or a little note or something you wanted to stick in, that one's flat down just as an embellishment because it's cute, right? Okay. I think it is. Okay, so and I made my paper dolls into paper clips because, you know, that's how I roll. Okay, so yeah, just super easy. I mean, really, it's super easy. We have this piece and you cut it out. Now, I did leave it, I don't know if I left this one, but I left it to where on the freebie you've got a little bit extra room if you want to cut this off or fit it how you want it, okay? But this one folds down. I did double-side print mine. You don't really have to do that. Get it straight, you silly. Okay, so yeah, just fold that straight down. And you see there's a little bit of hangover. There's another reason for that as well that I just remembered. If you wanted to put paper in there, it gives you a little bit extra for the spine. I'm not putting paper in mine. You can put paper in here. You can put paper here. However you want to do it, if you want to make it into a little notebook, because I left a little bit of extra for that purpose in case somebody wanted to do that. But if you don't, just fold it like this and, you know, there you go. Well, fold it straighter than I did. Okay, there's that. Now, for mine, I'm just simply going to trim this off to fit. Once I'm sure I got it straight, because my folding seems to be a little wonky today, which is fine. It's fine, it's fine, it's fine. Okay, so I'm just gonna, you know, just trim this off to meet at the edge. You don't have to do this, but I did leave, you know, that little bit of extra in case you wanted to put paper or make, you know, an extra spine thicker or something up there. So it's there if you want to use it. If not, just trim it off like I did. Okay, so that's more or less it made. Now we're going to put our, it's still not straight. I don't know what I'm going to do today with my not straightness. Me and my not straightness. Okay? Okay. There's always a way to straighten something. We have our ways, right? Okay, let's see. We've got our tag there, so we want our pocket. It's so pretty. I like these. Yes, it's a backside. It's a reprinter, but I'm okay with that. Nobody sees in there. They don't. So, anyways, yeah, we're just doing what we're doing. That's a little wonky too. I am not straight today, guys. I'm just so not straight. Okay. Okay, there we are. Now let's get us some tape. I'm gonna put a little bit of, you know, trim on the top of the pocket, just to give it a little bit of extra strength. And that's, you don't have to. You can always fold it over too if you want to give it that strength without putting the, just leave you a little extra up there and fold it over when you're cutting it out. You can do that. No worries. It's all good. Okay, we're just going to give that a press down, that a press down. Get my Cricut picker. And we're going to put our pocket here. Yeah, this one comes together really fast. Once you get all your pieces cut out, you're just about done. I thought, this is the way to do starting your weekend. Really simple and easy, right? Now it should fit right in there with plenty of room, and you can judge where you want it to be, how much room you want on this side and that side, and all the sides. But yeah, it should just sit right in there, straight-ish. I tell you, I am not straight today. Wow. Okay. It happens. It happens to me quite often. Oh, you know what I didn't do? Which is what I'm going to do now before I put this down, even though I'm still putting glue on here for some reason. I'm going to go across here and I'm going to put my trim on there because that's what I'm going to do. Yep, that is exactly what I'm going to do. Yep. It's probably not the paper, guys. It's probably just me being not, yeah. Okay. I'm going to fold this under so it's out of my way and get my scissors and get everything out of the way so I can trim this. Okay, now, why is that not wanting to lay down? Yes, silly. Okay, now, got that. Give that a good press down because it was trying to be ornery with me. Okay. Alright, we'll get this one in. Okay. That one went in really easy. Okay, now we got our pocket on. Give it a roll. Okay, so with the pocket in, our flip done, all we got to do is put our, now you can put this flat down, you don't have to make it a tux, but I just thought, well, why not, So we've got, let me get this out of the way. We've got our bunny to put on here. Come on now. We've got our paper dolls there. Let me find my little pieces of things here. I also put the bow up there because it's cute. Now, I put the extra bow on there because there's bows on, I put bows digitally, on each one of the doll houses. And this goes with the one we did last week where I had this same bow on those. So it goes really well with that. You could even slide it in behind the belly band if you want to, because that would go. It would work. Okay. So let me get that bow on there. This is the one we did last week. So you see it goes with. So it would go with. Okay. That's my little brain working for you. So, yeah. It's very matchy-matchy. Okay. I like sometimes when things are very matchy-matchy. I like that. Sometimes I want them to be very different, but not this time. Okay. Now our bow is on there, and we're going to put our bunny, well, I'm going to put my bunny down there. You put your bunny wherever you want to put your bunny. It's all up to you. Okay. I'm just going to sit him down here at the bottom-ish, like so. And he'll be a cute little surprise when somebody pulls this tag out of the pocket. And they'll say, oh, there's a bunny there, because it's cute. It is cute. Okay, give him a roll. Make sure he's down there good. Yeah. See if you can mop up as much of the glue that squishes out as you can. Okay. Now he's going in there, like so. Okay. Now this is the one I use for the tuck spot, and it's got that same bow on there. So what I did was I'm going to glue around through here, from about this side of the bow here to around there, and that makes a nice little tuck spot you can stick a picture in, and at least in my little brain. Okay. Alright, I'm going to hold on to the bird's head. I'm going to glue from here to here. I have to remember that because yeah. Yep, that's a thing. Okay, so that makes a bottom and side for our little tuck spot, and it gives you plenty of space to tuck in there, and also plenty for, you know, if you're sticking a picture or something in there, right? So it would just, I mean, of course the tag's too big for that, but you could stick something in there and it would stay. Okay. All right. You could even stick one of your paper dolls in there if you wanted. You could do that. You know, I'm not going to do that. But okay. Now this one I put up here because it's pretty. It's a nice little, you pull the flap up and there's, you know, it's cute. Now you can make this an underneath tuck spot if you wanted. So you could stick something in there. I'm not going to do that. But I'm going to put it flat down so it'll be a pretty embellishment on the page. So there you go. Okay. Just a little of this and a little of that. All right. Here we go. Right on there. Just like so. This is, I don't know. To me, this one was just, it just fell together for me. It was so fun and easy to design, to make this design. And I thought, oh, I hope everybody loves it, because this will be a great thing to add to our folio, and, you know, for the nature time journals, folios, whatever you're making. And there you go. So I've got, yep, I've got my paper clips ready. Now I'll put the trim on this off camera. But yeah, that's really all it is. If you want to put trim, put trim. If you don't, don't. So I'm just going to stick her on here, like so. And then on the front, it kind of looks like there's, you know, tree limbs and stuff. And then you open it up and there's the other one there. And then you open that up and there you go. See, super fun and easy. Once you get your pieces cut out, it really does just come together super fast. And you can use your paper clips as a closure as well. So there you go. Now, freebies. On my website, Ko-fi, and Facebook group page. 2-page freebie set. Super cute and adorable and super fun and easy. I mean, wow, how easy was that, right? Just fold straight and put a pocket in and a tuck spot, and you're ready to go. You have a really, this would make such a cute card, like a little gift card or a sentiment card or something like that to send to somebody, because it's small and cutesy. So however you want to use that, isn't that just adorable though? I mean, with and without, it's still pretty, but I'm gonna put, you know, I just am. So okay, you guys take care. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. TTFN.